Welcome to The Explainer. Today we're breaking down the 5 solid principles for writing way better software.
You know that feeling, right? You start a project with great intentions, but it just becomes a tangled mess.
And then what starts as a simple fix, well, it turns into a major headache, breaking other parts of your app.
So let's untangle this. These aren't strict laws, just battle-tested guidelines for clean, flexible code.
They help us create systems that are just easier to understand, maintain, and extend down the line.
First up is S, the single responsibility principle. Basically, a class should do one thing and do it well.
Okay, think of the Paw Patrol. Chase is the police pup. Marshall is the fire pup. Each has one specific job.
If one pup tried to do everything, it'd be chaos, right? Your code is exactly the same way.
Next is O, for the open/closed principle. This means you can add new features without changing existing code. When Everest joined for Snoo rescues, the team was extended, not changed. The original pup's roles were untouched.
Then there's L, the Liskov substitution principle. Put simply, subclasses should be swappable with their base classes.
A pup's vehicle should always be drivable. If ever a snowplow can't drive on a normal road, it breaks the rule.
Now for I, interface segregation. It's better to have many small interfaces than one huge one. Think about it. Sky is a helicopter pup. She shouldn't be forced to carry a water cannon she can't even use. And finally, D, for dependency inversion. This means high-level logic shouldn't depend on the low-level details. Writer doesn't call for Chase directly. He calls for a police pup. That's an abstraction. It makes the team flexible.
So why does all this matter? It helps you avoid that classic 5-minute change that actually takes 5 days.
Exactly. Good design isn't a luxury. It's really an investment in your future development speed.
The payoff is huge. Your code is easier to maintain, simpler to test, and just way more flexible. But remember, these aren't a rigid checklist you have to follow blindly. The goal is to reduce complexity, not create it. Understanding when to apply these principles and when it's okay to bend the rules is what makes a developer truly great.